So you're ready?
No.
You're ready to take this down?
The last homeowner did staple tile ceiling. You can see that like right up here. He did staple tile because he didn't want to remove the old drywall, which has blow-in insulation up above it. And when he built on the second floor, he put rolled insulation above the blow-in insulation. So what I started doing yesterday was I was sucking it out before I dropped it, which prevented it from getting really dusty. And now today we don't have a choice because I started sucking out the rolled-in insulation. We got to drop the whole ceiling in one shot and then create a huge dust cloud. So we blocked off the door. It's about to get messy.
Okay, let's go. Wow, Jesus.
What is that? No wire?
I don't know.
Wouldn't even bother, babe.
What?
Wouldn't even bother. Watch out, babe. Just let it go. We gotta drop all this stuff.
Oh.
I just gotta move the stuff over. We gotta get this. No, move the rake. We gotta get it out of the way, babe.